Today we will look at some more expressions using get. This is a 5-part video series and this is video number 4. So today we are going to look at some expressions using get plus the past participle. And we will also look at some phrasal verbs using get. So to get married, they got married last year. So this links back to some of the previous examples we had with expressions using get, which indicate that there has been a change in status, okay? They got married last year. They changed their status from single to married. To get dressed, so again this indicates a change. So the change from not wearing any clothes to having some clothes on, to get dressed. For example, I always have a coffee before I get dressed. To get lost. Pay attention to the irregular past participle here, lost. To get lost. So I got lost on my way to the museum. To get involved. He got involved in some local charities. So again, this indicates a change from not being involved in something to being involved in something, to get involved. Now let's look at some phrasal verbs with get. In general, we don't recommend that you learn phrasal verbs in this way by categorizing them by the verb. However, as we're looking at some expressions with get, we'll just take a quick look at some of the common phrasal verbs that we use with get. To get up. I get up at 7 a.m. every morning. So here we have a change from being in bed to being up, out of bed. To get back, which means to return. When did you get back from holidays? To get over. For example, it took her a long time to get over her ex-boyfriend. So to get over indicates, again, a change over time. So to get over means to recover from something, to change from being sad to being happy, to get over a breakup. We also use get over to mean to recover from an illness. For example, I am getting over a cold. I got into Harvard, which means I obtained a place in Harvard. Or, after many hours of queuing, we finally got into the nightclub. So we were finally allowed to enter the nightclub. Similarly, to get out means to leave or to exit. I was misbehaving in class and so the teacher asked me to get out.